5 minutes past 12. Good afternoon. I am already on the move. Yes, we just came through the Albrechtssund Canal from Marstrand over there. Go and visit that video and you see how beautiful this canal is, this go through. It is a rainy day. The wind is west-northwest, approximately 15 to 20 knots. But I am so lucky that I can go behind the aisles over here so that I hardly notice these winds. I already went outside a little bit on the Kattegat, and then we had some more waves because it has nautical miles, enough room to build up some waves, and it does. No idea where this video will end, on what spot is what I mean. So I would suggest that you sit back, relax, and you just enjoy the view. How about that? Care to join? Come on then, let's go! The bridge has a height of 18 meters water to deck level, and there are rocks straight in the middle. Maximum speed 5 knots. Unfortunately, I have to change directions to the Kattegat. So perhaps we will know in a couple of minutes, you will know in a couple of minutes, how bad it is outside. The wind comes from west, southwest, and blows directly onto the shore, and we have to go that way. Life is a highway, and I do it my way. Yeah, but at least you tell us. Yes, that is true. Oh, you know what we will do? Wait a second. Yes, with the water this calm, this is a moment for coffee. But with the predictions and the expectations, would you drink coffee? Why don't you have a seasickness pill? Yeah, well, we will see if that is necessary. So, pause the video, grab something to drink and to eat. Yes, I brought with me a pack of mergpijp cookies, so I still have them. And I suggest that we enjoy this joyful moment together. How about that? Cheers to you. I powered up the engine to 1850 RPM, giving a speed over ground of 5.8, 6 sometimes. And yeah, she dances a little bit. But other than that, at the moment The only thing I see at the horizon is blue skies. Blue skies, baby, I see blue skies. I know. And I even had my coffee. Yeah. I saw this go through on the chart. It's called the Galvesund, and also this is a narrow go through. Are you dancing, Henk-Jan? Yes, some 90 degrees waves from the Kattegat. Almost seems as if I see a sister ship of Lady Liselot. I have never ever seen that one before. Okay, let's have a look. Is there enough depth? 8 meters. Yes, there's enough depth. That would be something. Well, from this side she almost looks alike. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, one would almost say that this is a sister ship of Lady Liselot. Have a look. 3 windows on the wheelhouse, the small window over here, then the door. Be careful. Depth 7 meters, so that is enough. And have a look what is on the sign. It says 50. I think it is a marine trader. It says 52. Okay. Oh! They tell us it is a Grand Banks 52. Really? Yeah, it says Grand Banks 52. Alright. If you look at the bow, it is my bow is like this, and this one is a little bit steeper, like you see on more Grand Banks. Yeah. Haha. Funny. Yes, at this moment already this video comes to an end. Did you like it? Please give me the thumbs up. And how about this? Do I see you in the next video? Alright then. Bye bye. Okay, and I am heading north for more surroundings and new horizons. And I can speed up.